Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, now let's take a look at the gold market, guys. Well, since market in fact stands flat, and the Friday there were no much changes on the market, our analysis will be very similar to those that we have made on Friday. But in the beginning of this video, I would like to announce that we, as usual, have posted the weekly research on our forum. Well, that also contains the analysis of the higher time frames on the monthly and the weekly time frame, and there are some significant changes have appeared that could shed some light on the further perspective on the gold market. That perspective is mostly the long term. So shortly speaking, in the short-term development, we should be ready for downward continuation, whether some retracement will happen here on the daily time frame or will not happen. Because if you will take a look at this price action to the downside, you'll see that market in fact has hit 127 extension of that butterfly just by a single extended candle. When this happens, when market shows such sort of the price action, in the most cases odds suggest that this will lead to the further continuation. And the next target of this butterfly stands around 1210 area. It's right here. That is the 1618 extension of this butterfly. But this potential continuation doesn't exclude that market could show some bounce up, and this bounce could be to the 3-8 resistance of the swing of the right wing of this butterfly. Because if you will take a look at the weekly time frame, you'll see that as within the whole this downward move, in fact, market before starting the next leg to the downside, it retests the broken low, the previous broken low, and our previous broken low stands right here. It's around 1320 area. So if market will keep this tendency further in the future, it should retest this low before any continuation will happen. And that is our scalp short-term perspective on the daily time frame. So if you have the bearish view, you do not want to take the long position, and your task is to catch the moment to enter on the short side of the market, you could skip this trade. You could watch for resistance area, particularly to this level. That level is very interesting, we will discuss it a bit later. But for those of you who would like to take the scalp short position with the bounce up, you could try to do this, because now we have the pattern on the intraday charts and we have the overall price action on the weekly time frame that in general gives us the foundation for that trade. That if market will keep, as I said, this tendency, then it probably should show the retracement right back up to this area. There are also some other reasons why this retracement could happen. First of all, that is also the support. So we can see the completed ABCD pattern. Very nice pattern, nice looking, it's very harmonic. You can see the speed, the slope of this CD and AB legs are the same. As in terms of time, market has completed this target precisely in the moment where it should. Well, also that will be the weekly pivot point on the coming week that stands at the previous lows. And that's another reason why market could retest this area, since we know that market gravitates to the weekly pivot point and tends to test it during the trading period within the week. That's the three reasons why market could show, in fact, the bounce to the upside. Now, if you will take a look at the hourly time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, guys, I do not see much interesting. On the hourly time frame, we see also that this will be, in fact, the hourly confluence resistance stands around 1328. The major 3-8, the target, potential target of this bounce, right near the weekly pivot point. And here, take a look. That's the same pattern that we have discussed on Friday, although it was skewed a bit to the side, to the right side, because market mostly stands flat. So we have some extended right shoulder, but very small left shoulder. But in general, this some harmony holds here. So you can see that head stands with the 1618 extension of the left shoulder. If you will calculate this extension of the right swing, you also will see that the 1618 extension stands very close to this area. So you can see that this probably could be treated as the reverse head and shoulders pattern. Trend holds bullish here, so we could get as the target of this pattern this potential ABC reaction that has the target completing point right at the same area. So 1320, 1330 area. That will be also an agreement. And that will be the area where we should watch for reversal patterns, since market could reestablish the downward action right from this area. That's the first area to watch for potential reversal to the downside. So if you're bearish and you search the possibility to enter short, that's your area to watch for. I'd not call you to enter just blindly from this area, but keep an eye on this, since this will be rather significant resistance, and in general that stands in agreement with the overall price action on the weekly time frame. So market retests the previous broken low, turns down and accelerates to the downside, and that will be again the retesting of the previous low. So very probable that market could reestablish the downward action right from this area. So let's see what will happen. Also guys, as usual we prepared the research on euro currency, so you see the link on this research on your screen. You can also visit our forum and watch the video on the euro currency. Concerning the gold, I suggest you that you will read the weekly and monthly analysis, since it's really carries a lot of interesting moments, and it's really some drastic changes going to happen in the late August on the gold market. Well, this really could be significant reversal. The chances, at least the chances currently exist that this could happen. So let's see what will happen in the beginning of the next week. Hopefully we will get some chances with the attempt to trade this reversal reverse head and shoulders pattern.